Hi Javier, so today we're going to be working on your IEP goal 1 and 2. So let's get started with goal 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to read a story to you and you just need to follow along. So let's get started. This story is called A Chair for My Mother. Blue Tile Diner. My mother is a waitress at the Blue Tile Diner. After school, I go there and help. When I finish, I get paid. Every time I get paid, I put half of the money into a jar. It takes a long time to fill the jar. My mother put all of her change into the jar too. Some days she gets lots of tips, and some days she gets a little. We sit in the kitchen with Grandma and count the tips. Grandma puts money in the jar too. When we fill the jar, we are going to buy a chair, a beautiful chair with flowers on it. Our other chairs burned in a fire in our house. It happened one day when my mother and I were walking home from the store. The fire engines were at our house. The house was full of flames. Thankfully, everyone was okay. The house was ruined and full of ashes. We went to stay with my aunt and uncle. We moved into the apartment downstairs. When we moved in, the neighbors brought pizza and ice cream. They also brought over a table, a rug, curtains, and silverware, but Mama still had no comfortable chair to sit. One night we looked at the money jar and it was full. We took the coins to the bank. We shopped at many stores looking for a chair. Some chairs were big, some chairs were small, some were soft, and some were hard. Finally, we found the chair we were dreaming all about. We bought the chair right home. My grandma sits in it during the day. My Mama sits in it after work. After dinner, I get to sit with Mama and fall asleep on her lap. The end. That was a good story. So now, Javier, let's go ahead and go to goal number 2. Here we go, Javier. Goal number 2 is also reading. And it's the same thing, the 7 common objects, which is a remote, the chair, the hat, book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste. So let's go over it like we always do. So remember, the remote is for changing the channels on the TV. The chair is to sit on. The hat is to put on your head. The book is to read. The shampoo is to wash your hair. The pencil is to write. The toothbrush is to wash your teeth. And the toothpaste is to put on the toothbrush. So let's answer these 2 questions, Javier. The hat is to play with or put on your head. The book is to read or throw, Javier. Circle your answer. This is a worksheet that you'll have for today. Once you're done, please send it to your teacher or upload it to Teams for a grade.